Hi there, it's Michelle Tam of Nom Nom Paleo, and today I'm going to show you how to make pork shoulder the best way possible, which is Instant Pot Pressure Cooker Kalua Pig. But this method, you get a delicious Kalua Pig from start to finish in 2 hours, plus I throw in a head of cabbage, which allows you to have a big pile of vegetables with your big pile of pork. All right, first things first, you want to turn on your saute function on your Instant Pot or electric pressure cooker. See, it heats up the insert, and it doesn't even have to be hot. You're gonna lay down 3 pieces of bacon. So what I have here is a 5-pound pork shoulder roast or pork butt that I have cut into 3 even pieces. And it can have a bone in or bone out. This one has a bone in it. And then once this is all cut into 3 even pieces, I just kind of poke a hole, and then I plop in the garlic. And it really does add really great flavor to this. So if you have garlic, you should do it. And once all the garlic has been smushed in, I have some red Alea Hawaiian sea salt here. And this is the classic salt that they use to season Kalua Pig at a luau. But you don't have to use this. You can use kosher salt, whatever salt you want. You just kind of sprinkle it all over while your bacon is sizzling in your Instant Pot. I think people love this recipe because they can't believe how easy it is and how delicious it is. So I'm gonna check on my bacon and I'm gonna flip it. It's okay if your bacon kind of falls apart. It's really in here just to impart a smoky flavor. So the pork pieces with the garlic and the salt, you just plop on top of the bacon. I like to do 1 single layer if possible, but if not, that's okay. And then to this, you add about a cup of water. And we're gonna seal the lid, make sure the top valve is on sealing, and then you pressure cook it for 1.5 hours. And then once it's done cooking, you just let the pressure drop naturally. But what's so great about this is you can just walk away at this point. So now the pressure cooker Kalua Pig is done cooking, plus I've allowed the pressure to drop naturally. And so it is ready for the next step. So the meat should be really fork tender. So you should taste the liquid just to make sure it's salty enough, or if you need to dilute it. Well, that's good. And so now you just add your whole cabbage that has been cut into 6 wedges. All right, so once the cabbage is in there, you set it to cook under high pressure for 3 minutes. And then when it's done, your cabbage will be nice, tender, and porky. So in the meantime, you can shred your pork. And it should be super duper shreddable and delicious. And you should obviously taste it for salt, but if the liquid is okay and not too salty, you know that the Kalua Pig is good too. I love pork. Oh, except for when it falls on the floor. All right, so it's all done cooking, and I'm gonna quickly manually release the pressure cooker because we wanna eat dinner right now. And I know that the cabbage has soaked up all the flavor of the Kalua Pig cooking liquid. Pile the pork in the middle. And at the very end, I'm gonna add some more of the cooking liquid just to make everything nice and tasty. And there you have it, Kalua Pig in less than 2 hours. Everybody will be happy, especially the cook.